The supports for our floating shelves are made from a 12-inch piece of galvanized threaded pipe with a floor flange on one end and a pipe cap on the other. In this case, we're painting them black before installing them. These supports are screwed into the wall studs with 3-inch long wood screws. We'll have 2 supports for each row of shelves, and in this case, that means they are about 48 inches apart. Remember to check the level between the 2 supports before securing them. In order to have about a 7-inch overhang on each end, we're cutting our 2x12 shelf boards at 62 inches long. After sanding the boards, we apply a coat of stain to all sides of the wood. Let it dry and apply a coat of clear polyurethane to all sides. Once they're dry, you can put them in place to complete the shelves.